The first step is to simply click on advertisements. Second, wait for 30 seconds without touching or manipulating anything. The third step is to receive your income. It's that simple. Well, you should not be surprised, because this is exactly how many professionals make lots of cash by just clicking ads irrespective of their location anywhere in the world. This is 100% authentic and valid. It is completely free, and you don't have to invest any cash in the process. Instead, all it requires is a smartphone or laptop to begin the process. As we proceed further in this video, we're going to be showing you various hints and evidential examples or proofs of how lots of people make as much as $1,500 or as low as $700 on the internet. So make sure you stick around and keep watching so you don't miss any vital steps to accomplishing these amazing updates. There are various websites on which you can easily access ads and get paid for simply watching them. An example of such a website is a paycheck.net. Remember, if you stop watching this video, you'll not make any money, or you might not go too far, as your earnings may get hooked up in your account, and you might not be able to cash out. So you must watch everything till the end so you can be capable of earning and withdrawing your money. Once you begin utilizing this website, you can begin earning cash based on all the activities you execute online. You can enroll in different activities such as watching videos, playing video games, and getting paid for them. You can go to a specific website and click on ads to get paid. If you check out the AdClicks dashboard, you'll notice that they display how much they pay people per day on the website in order to show that they are transparent and legit. If you also scale through the website, you'll notice the figures of its total users benefiting from its network system and also history of its previous payouts. To portray transparency, they also showcase the usernames of the winners, their locations, names, and payment methods. They utilize different varieties of payment methods such as PayPal, Skrill, Payeer, cryptocurrency, and many other accessible means of withdrawal in the world. Shortly, we will be showing you how to open a free account on the website we indicated previously. If you quickly view the number of withdrawals, you will notice the different usernames of many winners from different parts of the world, with their country flags and thousands of earnings daily. We would like to let you know that you can accomplish these earnings without any special skills or attributes simply by clicking ads. In order to start up with this massive opportunity, all you have to do is open a paycheck.net, navigate to where you see a button indicating register. Click it, and immediately it will take you to a page where you'll input your pieces of information. Fill in your name, your email address, and you can input any amazing username that best fits your personality, input an unbreakable password. Finally, you register by clicking on the icon that says "I'm not a robot." You get logged into the account. The first thing you're going to see is the leadership board, which indicates who are the topmost earners in the food chain. You will notice their usernames, country flags, and the total amount of earnings, and irrespective of your location, you can earn thousands of dollars from anywhere around the world. After exploring all this, you can begin earning by first pinpointing the kind of advertisement you want to begin earning from. The most famous kind of ad on this website is the banner ads. You can click on them and begin to earn. If you navigate through the ads, you'll notice most of them are banner ads. If you decide to click on any of these ads, it will immediately redirect you to another website. And just so you don't forget, you can easily do all this on your smartphone or laptop. Immediately you're redirected to another website. All you need to do is to patiently wait for 30 seconds without clicking any buttons. However, you can just navigate through the website and just keep navigating upwards and downwards or you won't get paid. Why? Most people don't get paid after clicking the website and waiting for 30 seconds without doing anything because they failed to scroll through the whole thing and the website might see them as robots rather than humans, consequently not getting paid. So when you click on the ads, you don't click anything but scroll through the website for 30 seconds or a little more, after which they are satisfied enough to credit money to your account. Once you are done with the first process, you can continue repeating it. Remember, there are so many banner ads on this website, so all you have to do is click on them and get paid instantly. Incredible, right? Well, wait till you see what comes next. The next in on how to get paid is by clicking on daily fixed ads. Daily fixed ads are ads that you can click on within 10 seconds and get paid. Most people are using this particular ad to make lots of income. If you click on payment and scroll through, then click on some particular payments of your choice, you'll notice proofs of payment from adclicks.net and the amount received. Lots of people are reporting their various proofs of payment on the website every day, and all they do is simply keep clicking on the daily fixed ads. If we click on any of the random daily fixed ads, it'll redirect us to a website, after which it'll notify you at the top. Please wait for 10 seconds. All you simply need to do is navigate through the website and don't click anything. Like we said, just navigate through the website. As we have stated before, this simply is to prove to the website that you're not a robot. Once you have done this for 10 seconds, you get paid immediately, and all you have to do is to repeat this same process continuously at least 5 times a day. As you can see, this is such an amazing hint we have provided that most people not watching this particular video don't know. Make sure to utilize this hint and watch at least 5 ads a day or more to increase your earnings 10 times more than other participants. If you like these bonus hints we provided, make sure to stick around for more and subscribe to get more amazing videos about making money online. One astonishing money-making ad that accompanies your daily clicking and earning of the daily fixed ads is the new unlocking of another incredible ad known as the standard ads. If you unlock the standard ads, they can pay you 10 times as much as the previous ones. How? After unlocking these new features, you'll see various standard ads shown. Assuming you click on one standard ad in which you will only get paid after 30 seconds, it will redirect you immediately to another website where you will see an indicator telling you to wait for 30 seconds. But it strictly depends on the standard ad you click. Some ads may indicate that you wait for 30 seconds and some for 10 seconds. The way this works is simply the longer you wait, the more money you make, and don't forget, you must navigate or browse around within the set time in order not to be labeled a robot and not get paid. As we promised you earlier, we are going to be revealing an incredible but efficient bonus tip that is only known to those who are currently watching videos on how to massively increase their earnings. If you go back to your dashboard, you'll click the leadership board, and then you'll notice in the earnings of the first 3 or 4 leaders that they make more money. How do they do this? When you look past their total earnings, you will see another row that indicates referral earning S, which seems to earn them a higher percentage of their income. Amazing, right? Well, we know. This is exactly how the top earners are ranked and make 10 times more money than others. All you need to do is refer other people to adclicks.net too and triple your income. It is a two-way earning procedure. Firstly, you can make money by just clicking ads, and secondly, if you want to make an outrageous amount of money, you can refer more people to adclicks.net and make 10 times more money. Now, what we want to do now is open your browser and go to dimeforum.com. This is simply a forum where many people discuss many topics about making money on the internet. You can join this forum for free now. Most of the people posting on this forum are getting lots of traffic. Some other people go to this website to search for free, important information. How? You can go to the Dime Forum and click on the search space, then type something like how to make money online. You will be immediately redirected to a page where similar questions are asked and answered. Once you ask questions and you're redirected to where similar questions are asked, you can also comment by clicking the reply button, and you can input your referral link from then send it. Insane, right? As well, you can repeat this in as many times as you want to get more referrals as you want to earn more money on adclicks.net. So it is a win-win situation as you help them by referring them to a legit website so they can earn, and you can earn more through the bonus referral. Another amazing website you can also earn from is called CLIKPAY. You can earn more money by simply clicking on websites. The more you click, the more you earn. If you love this video and you want to access more amazing pieces of information on how to make money online, then make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos.